Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this 3-in-1 Apple charging station. Yep, 3-in-1. It's got a place for your iPhone, it's got a place for AirPods, and it's got a place for your Apple Watch. And it will charge all three of them at once. Now, unlike a lot of chargers, this is not a wireless charger. This actually uses the Lightning port for the AirPod charging as well as the iPhone charging. Now, Apple Watch, of course, only supports wireless charging, so it does support wireless charging for that. Besides the stand, it does come with a power supply, and it is a quick charge 3.0 power brick along with the Type-C power charge. So, you're getting the power you need to this in order to get the top rated charging, and then you can also use that power brick just to fast charge any device you want to. But back to the stand. The stand is great. It has an adjustable stand on the back here, so you can adjust this and move it backwards and forward to get it to the right position so that your phone slides right down over that Lightning port. Now, that Lightning port is movable. It moves back and forth just a little bit so that you can get it at the right angle. Easy to slide your phone on it or pull it off of it, as you can see. Works really well. Also, same thing with the AirPods. Because it's a Lightning port, it'll work with any AirPods. And that's what's great, is the wireless stands only work with newer phones that support it. But when you have the Lightning port, some of the advantages, one of it is if you have an older iPhone that doesn't support wireless charging or old AirPods that don't, this will work to charge those as well as the new ones. The other advantage is a lot of times the wireless charging is limited with how fast it can charge. With the Lightning connection, you're going to get the fastest possible charge of your devices with the Lightning. So you've got the Lightning charge on the tray here for the AirPods, and it fits any type of AirPods, as you can see. And then you've got your nice wireless Apple Watch charging dock up here. And it's nice and high, so if you have this by your bedside, you put your watch on it. If you want to have your watch on as a clock overnight, you can see it really good. If you want to have your iPhone on in that way, you can, or if you don't, obviously you don't have to, but they're angled at a great angle so that if you use this as a bedside stand, you're able to see the watch face or the phone face if you want to. Like I said, this back is fully adjustable so that you can see it works for the iPhone mini without a case, but then you can adjust it and have it so that it works great with an iPhone 13 Pro Max with a case. So whatever iPhone you have, you can make it so that it works well and adjust. The Lightning port that it plugs into is raised so that it will work even if you have a case on your phone, which is excellent. Very simple product, but works really, really well, and a great 3-in-1 Apple charging station. So if you have all these different Apple devices, then you get this guy, you plug this in, and now you have a way to charge everything at once, or one thing at a time. You've got everything you need right here in this nice 3-in-1 charging station. Really, really cool product, and if you're looking for a way to charge all your Apple devices, if you have all these different Apple things, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.